Welcome to a world where design meets harmony, space where textures and materials come together in perfect balance. Soft fabrics seamlessly complement sleek, modern furnishings, creating an environment that's as comfortable as it is stylish. This is where luxury meets livability. Welcome to the beauty of design. Stepping into the foyer, a polished wooden sideboard with bamboo-style accents catches the eye, complemented by two ceramic lamps with floral shades. A wooden chair adds charm, while a pale green carpet and vibrant greenery soften the space. Thoughtful details create an inviting, serene atmosphere reflecting refined taste. Welcome to this elegant parlor, a refined space for entertaining or relaxing. Deep red chairs with tiger print pillows add a playful touch, while floral murals and intricate trim create classic charm. A polished table and crystal chandelier anchor the room, with porcelain bowls and a floral centerpiece adding warmth. This parlor blends European elegance with contemporary comfort. This cozy living room blends warmth and charm with functionality. A navy sofa with colorful pillows anchors the space, while cream walls and large windows brighten the room. Eclectic furniture, including a wicker coffee table and vibrant chairs, adds character, complemented by a rich Persian rug. Golden lamps and greenery enhance the inviting atmosphere. This refined library exudes quiet elegance and charm. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves with blue and gold accents and a sliding ladder create a classic feel. Plush seating surrounds a glass table with fresh lilies, while a fireplace with cobalt details and modern art balances tradition and modernity. A crystal chandelier and soft lighting add warmth and sophistication. This playful children's room is full of vibrant charm. A red velvet bed anchors the space, surrounded by bold blue and white floral wallpaper and a dotted ceiling. A yellow hanging chair offers relaxation, while green curtains frame sunlit windows. The navy and white checkered floor contrasts with a leafy green rug. A white bookshelf and floral lamp complete this joyful retreat for play and rest. This refined butler's pantry blends elegance and utility. A glass-fronted cabinet displays curated porcelain, framed by muted gray cabinetry with gold hardware. A cushioned bench by the windows adds coziness, while a central island provides storage and workspace, accented by fresh lilies. A stained glass pendant light adds a whimsical touch to this serene and organized space. This eclectic sitting room blends comfort and personality with a navy sofa, colorful pillows, a botanical print armchair, and a yellow high-back chair. A rattan coffee table, golden grass-cloth walls, and built-in bookshelves create a welcoming vibe. The bold zigzag ceiling and patterned curtains add charm, while a Persian rug ties it all together. Warm lighting and thoughtful details invite relaxation and exploration. This elegant powder room features dark patterned wallpaper and a Venetian-style mirror with reflective accents. Soft lighting from blush-toned sconces complements the polished chrome vanity with a black marble countertop. A ceramic vase with dried flowers adds a personal touch. The room blends sophistication and intimacy, creating a luxurious and inviting space. This sunroom is a serene retreat filled with natural light, warm beige walls, and hardwood floors. A carved wooden bench, contemporary side tables, and a floral chest of drawers add charm and style. Potted plants and woven blinds create a cozy, inviting atmosphere, making it the perfect space to relax or entertain. This home study offers a tranquil atmosphere with soft natural light and warm yellow walls. A mahogany desk, framed abstract artwork, and a cozy armchair create an inviting space. Elegant drapes, a brass floor lamp, and an intricate rug add charm, blending traditional and modern elements for a serene environment perfect for reflection and creativity. This dining room combines traditional elegance with artistic charm. Chinoiserie wallpaper with delicate blossoms and gold accents sets a serene tone. A console table with porcelain vases and sculptural lamps creates a striking focal point, while a pale green chair complements the natural theme. The polished dining table anchors the space, inviting conversation and celebration in a refined setting. This elegant dining corner blends tranquility and beauty, with chinoiserie wallpaper featuring flowering branches and a butterfly. A pale green chair complements the natural theme, set on hardwood and softened by an ivory rug. Sunlight through French doors and pink drapes connects the space with nature, creating a peaceful retreat within a grand setting. This formal dining room exudes timeless elegance, with a crystal chandelier, hand-painted chinoiserie wallpaper, and light green upholstered chairs. The space is anchored by a plush rug and complemented by fresh flowers, porcelain vases, and traditional lamps. Every detail creates a sophisticated, inviting atmosphere, perfect for elegant gatherings. This dining room exudes refined elegance, with a grand chandelier above a polished mahogany table. Delicate chinoiserie wallpaper and soft green dining chairs create a serene atmosphere. Natural light pours through floor-to-ceiling windows framed by blush-tone drapery. A sideboard with blue and white porcelain and a modern abstract piece add charm and depth. This space blends grace, heritage, and beauty, making guests feel both honored and at ease. The foyer combines traditional charm with modern elegance, featuring hardwood floors and a crystal chandelier. A red floral carpeted staircase ascends to a high ceiling, while a burled wood chest with blue and white porcelain vases anchors the space. Creamy paneled walls, crown moldings, and wainscoting add sophistication to this inviting entryway. The family room welcomes with deep blue walls and a soft chandelier glow. A red sofa, adorned with eclectic pillows, anchors the space, complemented by playful leopard print chairs. A fringed ottoman and patterned rug add warmth, while a minimalist portrait and built-in bookshelves enhance the design. A skirted side table and chinoiserie lamp complete the inviting, stylish atmosphere. The guest bedroom exudes timeless charm, with serene blue and white floral wallpaper. Twin beds with bold blue geometric headboards are paired with a porcelain lamp, fresh flowers, and an antique side table. A skirted table with blue ceramics and an ornately carved chair add elegance. Antique artwork, an ikat-upholstered armchair, and soft window treatments enhance the inviting atmosphere, while a vintage portrait completes the cozy, welcoming retreat. This hallway alcove, with serene blue-gray paneling and classic molding, features a dark wooden console with a bust and modern abstract art above. Stacked linens and books add warmth, while a lantern-style pendant light softly illuminates the space, creating a quiet, inspiring pause in the home. Step into the library, a refined space with warm wood paneling and eclectic shelves. Plush armchairs, a tailored sofa, and a glass coffee table create a cozy seating area. A sunlit corner with orchids and cobalt vases adds color, while French doors bring in natural light. Ladders and brass accents add charm, making this library a peaceful sanctuary for reflection and inspiration. Stepping into a living room that blends timeless sophistication with playful modernity. Soft yellows and neutrals create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Plush armchairs and sofas in damasks and geometric patterns pair perfectly with antique blue painted chairs, while a cream-colored rug with floral designs anchors the space. The ornate fireplace is the room's centerpiece, adorned with a mix of modern and classical accents. Above, a vibrant painting adds contemporary flair. A mahogany chest and a gallery wall with whimsical art pieces further enhance the room's charm. Carefully curated lighting and fresh flowers bring warmth and life, making this space feel vibrant and welcoming. This living room is a place where stories unfold, guests feel at ease, and memories are made. This master bathroom blends luxury and tranquility, with soft natural light illuminating cream-colored walls and cabinetry. A paneled bathtub and floral upholstered chairs add elegance, while symmetrical sconces and a marble vanity enhance the space. Soft rugs and greenery bring warmth, and an adjoining room adds extra splendor. It's a luxurious retreat that offers both style and comfort. This master bedroom functions as a tranquil oasis, blending luxury with serenity. Soft, powdery blue paneling sets the mood, while large windows draped in floral curtains flood the room with natural light. The stately upholstered bed, framed in navy blue velvet and white linens, is the room's focal point, complemented by gilded sketches above and antique gold-framed mirrors with porcelain lamp accents. An inviting seating area with tufted armchairs and a chaise lounge in deep blue hues adds to the cozy charm, while a round table with books and a lamp creates an intimate touch. An antique highboy dresser and fine porcelain vases bring history and artistry to the space, and a patterned carpet ties the room together. A crystal chandelier completes the suite, casting soft rainbows of light. This room is a portrait of cultivated elegance, a harmonious blend of comfort and sophistication, an ideal retreat for rest and renewal. This home office combines creativity and order, with custom-built shelves, natural light from large windows, and bold leopard print chairs for a playful touch. A sleek tulip table suits meetings, while a cozy reading nook with a patterned armchair and built-in bookshelves invites relaxation. Soft sage green walls and a blend of classical and modern decor create a tranquil, personalized space for work and reflection. This sunroom is a bright and inviting space, blending classical elegance with eclectic charm. Natural light pours in through French doors, highlighting the floral wallpaper, lush green drapery, and checkerboard patterned floors. The room features a vibrant furniture arrangement, including a coral upholstered sofa and bold patterned armchairs, complemented by geometric and paisley pillows. Lush plants like a fiddle leaf fig add tropical vitality, while antique-inspired decor, decorative figurines, books, and a portrait add warmth. Glass shelves with colorful vases and a crystal chandelier bring light and color, creating a space perfect for reflection or lively conversation. The sunroom effortlessly balances opulence with comfort, a radiant retreat full of charm.